Hi friends, how are you doing? Um, if you have been following me, you know that in my recent Lakme haul, I was so excited about a particular product that I had bought then, and it was this Weightless Mousse Foundation. And today I'm going to review this product for you because I thought I have to tell you some things about it, which I didn't know before I bought it. So after I used it, I had some experiences with it, so which I want to share with you. So first and foremost about this packaging, it comes in this rose gold packaging, which is 29 grams, and it is costing, where is the cost? Okay, 575 rupees. It's on the crib. I think it was on the outer packaging. So 575 rupees for this is okay, it's here on the packaging. 575 for 29 grams. So this is the 29 grams product, which is a foundation. So you have to keep it in mind that I was using BB cream before this, so it doesn't need any primer or anything before you apply it on your skin. But this is a foundation, so probably you can use BB cream or some organic or some Ayurvedic cream as a primer before you apply it, because the coverage is not like BB cream. It's like very light coverage. Like you have to use some specific creams for spot treatment of any anything that you have. Like I have this, you have to use a spot treatment. But if you use lots of quantity of the product, then even those spots might go away, but not completely. As you can see, it doesn't go off completely. Then after using this product, I had also had some problems of enhancement of the dry spots on my area. Like if there was some very dry spot, it will enhance it and show it up. So that problem was there. So I'm talking about all the problems first, but the best thing about this is that as you apply it on your skin, it will like vanish away. I'll show you in swatch. Like you don't just feel having anything on your skin. It's like really light and everything. Very light product. Doesn't feel like putting on anything, but there is a drawback that after applications I actually developed a pimple here and a pimple here and here. So I wouldn't recommend this for an oily skin. I'm scared to use it right now, but maybe I'll use it during the ambient temperatures when it's not too hot, maybe during September and October during Diwali. So at that time I'm going to use up this foundation. So that's my general review about the thing. And yeah, internet is saying a lot about this product, but I wouldn't recommend it for oily skin on hot days. No, use your BB cream and skip this till the ambient temperatures arise. But it does brightens up the dry spots that you might have any on your skin, so be careful about that. So this was my mixed review about this Weightless Mousse Foundation by Lakme, 29 grams. It has a very good kind of a foundation applicator that it comes in a tube, so that's very convenient, so that you can take it on your fingertips and apply. Even if you use brush, then also you can easily apply it. So that is something very convenient. I'm not a beauty guru, so I don't want to give any beauty guru kind, just a consumer, and this is my experience about this product. I know lots of you love it, but it depends on your skin type. My skin was not very happy with it, so this product will get around, say, 2 stars, 2.5 stars out of 5 for me. Okay, so that's my review about this product. So with that, have a happy healthy skin and take care of yourself, and until we meet next time, God bless, take care, bye.